this. See?
Yeah, I think I love the texture. Very nice.
I love it.
Yeah, these are the cotton linen ones. For more easy breezy vibe.
It's breaking away from the monotony of neutral colors. I love that we're adding a pop, and then this is that satin finish that you were talking about.
On this aubergine one, then it will give a very festive and like a signature AJ vibe also.
तो हम अपना signature इसमें डाल देते हैं.
Yeah,
I think
look,
it's gonna give that
yeah,
really
really
nice.
I really like the colors, so we're going for like a deeper fall kind of a vibe here, or we're doing like summer colors too.
Yeah. No, I think these are the colors we finalized. So even if we're doing a pastel, it's more like it's more
like
deeper shade.
This is the color palette.
Yeah.
And any age group would like this color.
Elevate करके जो है दुपट्टा add कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
You could do a 3-piece, long, shifty, a classic.
Let's sell it as a 3-piece also.
Yeah.
And this, I absolutely love the linen blend. I feel like the linen blends are gonna work so well that I generally love wearing linens and making something more, you know. Guys, so I have AJSS1 here, and then we did the 2 colorways that are there, right? Those 2. Exactly, so you can have a look at how it's turned out before you know, we go with the whole silhouette.
Really nice.
I really like the pants also.
Yeah, it looks
but
really
I
nice.
really like the cut. I think it's so airy.
Yeah, it's very wearable.
I feel like this is a good blend of, you know, our print and then the solid silhouette, keeping both the brand's identity in mind. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think we should add tassels here. Like the printed fan tassels. I think that look really. I actually really like the colors. And you know one more thing, I feel like that we've done a blue and white before, and so have you.
Yeah.
In your last collection.
Oh my god, guys, that's beautiful.
Yeah, I love
Like
it.
that's changed
This
the
one's way better
whole.
than the blue. I
Yeah.
don't like the blue at all.
I really like this one.
I think we've removed the architectural elements that we had in this design.
Yeah.
And I think it looks
Yeah.
much better. Right?
It's a seamless print and it's got a lot of florals which sells best, and I think people are just gonna find it easier to wear than putting like more of.
And I feel like it's much fresher of a color. But I feel like the neckline is a bit empty. I think we should add something here. Because we've done tassels in that one, so I think let's just stick to buttons.
Yeah. So remember we decided we want to do like a monochrome outfit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So this is one version.
I mean this is the same.
There's something I feel like you can just get from the bazaar.
Yeah, I
there's
agree.
nothing
I
wrong
agree.
about
Very
this.
commercial.
We probably have to redesign this outfit.
Yeah.
But this is one.
Let's do these sleeves. Let's do these sleeves.
How about, you know, we do this on the sleeves only.
Let's keep the shirts plainer. I love
So
this.
it looks like an applique, but it's not actually an applique.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that.
This is more solids also, so I
Yes.
prefer that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This as an option for the print.
Okay.
I think this
I
will
really
add the
like
right pop of color in the collection.
This is a tricky print. I
Yeah.
love it. It's like something I would definitely wear.
So for the silhouette, you guys want to do a long shirt or a short shirt again?
Short.
I prefer shorter.
Shorter.
So I prefer like to do a shorter length. Maybe when we're doing the blended cuts, we could do more longer versions of it.
Okay, so then the short length is approved for this one.
Yeah. Do a more like a longer cut in this because we don't have to worry about the creasing in this one. So kaftans work really well for us. Solids does like shorter length kaftans, like not very long, but I think we could do a floor length version for this one.
We could.
Yeah?
Okay. So we've done 2 different embroidery techniques on this.
That's making it that casual look, yet like people can take this like on their holidays and they can really wear this freely to a lunch or anything
Added
formal.
these tassels, and I just love these button details that we've added. We won't do these sleeves, but this embroidery can basically come here.
Yeah, this is really nice. I really like that design.
So I think this is the vibe we're going for. So this is like a very happy farm girl vibe. I think we need to take out more hair references though.
Soft.
I want the location to be very raw. I really like the mood board. I think we should stick to this.
We need to discuss the styling for this look.
She needs to have like statement earrings.
I think they look really nice
And
together.
let's put this on Sasha.
Done.
This outfit. Fatma, what do you think about the mood
vibe.
board?
Oh, I move forward. What are we doing for the shorter lengths? Are we like tying the hair up?
We were thinking of tying the hair in that because I think it's a cowl length and dusra the outfit is
Yeah.
very flowy.
We're finalizing Zarmine, Sasha and Sadav. So are you on board with that?
Perfect. I think it'll look really good.
Some of them are used for solids regularly and some of them are used for Ansab Jahangi, so it's representing the brand identity together.
Yeah.
Can you show it to her? I
We
can't
have the
see that,
first
please.
sample.
It's very detailed.
So this time let's, Yashra and I were just talking the other day and we were like it's best that let's style it ourselves because I'll be able to do it better with Zoha from an AJ point of view and then she can do it like to just represent solids.
Select our aesthetics as a brand. So I think let's do the styling ourselves. So the shoot has to have a blend of Ansab Jahangi and solids. So it has to have both the aesthetics and because solids is all about clean shoots, very minimal, complete focus on the outfits, and Ansab Jahangi has a lot of fun shoots and there's just so much drama going on, so we have to combine the two elements and have to create a masterpiece.
We launch online on Friday night and Saturday ko 12 baje you open stores.
Karachi and Lahore.
Yeah, it has to be Karachi, Lahore, both.
8 p.m. online and then it's
And 8 p.m. it goes live, so whoever can't make it to the store can just
Yeah.
take it,
Yeah.
from our online.
Mannequins display mein ja rahe hain, that's it. And I think foreigners karwa do.
For the kaftan, I will wear this, Yasra.
I wear the shibli.
Don't be selfish, guys.
I want black.
Decide the
Yeah.
quantities for the
And also you should have a.
Guys, I love the packaging. Fine, how
I love it.
Wow, it's so nice.
Very nice. See?